Preventative maintenance is a very important aspect of motor management. You want to take the decision out of the panic mode, and one way to do that is not wait for your motors to fail, but to know exactly how they're operating.
Preventive maintenance is the most familiar and the oldest kind of maintenance. That involves taking care of your equipment so that it does not degrade.
Preventive maintenance is basically taking actions to keep a well motor healthy. And this involves greasing the motor bearings at the appropriate intervals, checking alignment. It involves housekeeping, such as keeping deposits or debris or dirt from landing on the motor's cooling fins or inlet grill.
Probably the most important thing regarding the cleaning of a motor is keeping the heat transfer working properly, because the dirt tends to build up and restrict the airflow in there. And of course, dirt can enter the motor and contaminate the bearing and cause a failure or cause abrasion in the insulation. You also should do periodic tests of the condition of the connections, because connections do become loose and develop a higher resistance.
One consideration when controlling a motor with an adjustable speed drive, and this applies to whether it's a premium efficiency motor or energy efficient or standard, is that the drive can form currents which flow from the shaft of the motor across the bearings, causing a type of bearing damage called fluting. To eliminate the possibility of this happening, you might want to consider installing a shaft grounding brush so that the currents don't form and flow across the bearing raceway.
Keeping the motor clean, keeping it properly lubricating, not over lubricating or under lubricating, is very important in preventive maintenance.